Hello guys, welcome back to Style with Harriet. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Harriet. I talk about fashion, beauty and general lifestyle. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is about this cap wig tutorial. So it's a DIY cap wig tutorial, and right now I'm just showing you all the items I use for this tutorial. So guys, sit back and watch. This is the braiding hair I used to create this wig, and it's called the jumbo braid. I got all of my items from my local beauty supply stores. You can also order them if you can go to your local beauty supply stores. You can order them from Amazon. And right now I just want to put my wig cap on my dump's head. After placing the wig cap on the dump's head, you want to attach a piece of closure if you're going for a more realistic look. So I'm attaching this piece of net because I want to create my closure myself. But if you have a closure that is similar to the hair you want to use, you can just go ahead and sew that closure to your wig cap. But because I don't have one like that, so I have to create mine. So I'm securing that piece of net to the wig cap with my T-pins. And to attach it to my wig cap, I'll be sewing it down with my needle and thread. And with this kind of wig cap, because it's kind of lacy, so first of all I'll go ahead and sew the wig cap and the net together, going to the front, and I will sew it going backwards. So as you can see from this video, so you just watch and see what I'm doing. Guys, if you have made it to this point of the video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that red subscribe button down there and turn on your notification bell. In that way you don't miss out any of my videos, and you'll also be the first one to get notified. So right now I'm just cutting out the Essex lace from the wig cap, and I will be cutting out the excess net from the closure piece as well. So now I'm just using my candle to mark where I want my demarcation or my pattern to be. You don't have to use a candle. If you have a tailor's chalk, you can use it. You can also use your concealer, or you can use any crayons or anything you think you can use, but I just decided to go for my candle. And now this is the braiding hair, so I'm just taking it from the pack, and I'm going to section this or cut it into 3 parts because that's the desired length I want. And right now I'm trying to create a weft from this, so I'll be creating few lines of weft from this extension air. You don't have to do this. You can go ahead and just crochet this air directly to your wig cap, but I'm doing this because I want to use this for a ponytail afterwards. So whenever I want to use it, I'll just go ahead and take this off from the wig with my razor blade. You know, like the normal way you take off your weave from your hair when it's been sewed onto it, that same way I'm going to take this off from the wig cap. So watch and you understand it when I'm doing it later on in the video. So I'm done with creating the weft. I'm just cutting out those flyaways. You have to be careful here so you don't actually cut the extension itself. And now I'm just putting my flat iron in a very low heat, and I'll be pressing it together with the weft just to keep it intact and make it flat. If it's too hot, it's going to burn it. Remember, it's a synthetic air. So right now I'm just going to be ventilating my closure. This actually takes time, so if you want to go for this process, you have to be patient. That's my advice. You just have to be patient because it's going to take you time, and you don't have to do it exactly how I'm doing it, because right now I'm starting it with about 8 to 10 strands of hair. Sometimes I do create my closure with like a single strand. That depends on the kind of look I'm going for, but for this one I'm creating it with about 8 to 10, but as I'm coming towards the middle I'll be reducing it. So this actually does take time. Like I said, you have to be patient and you don't have to finish it in one go. So you can do a bit and you can go and rest and come back another day. You just have to take your time for this process, and trust me, you will like the result, or you like the outcome. So I'm just ventilating and I'm just double tying the knots. But sometimes I don't double tie my knots, especially when I'm going for a very, very flat look. And I'm using just a single strand or 2 strands. I'll just do like single knotting so that those knots will become invisible. But that actually takes time. So I will just continue ventilating. I'll just carry on ventilating until I'm satisfied with the look I want. So you can see how full that closure is. You don't have to do yours like this, but I really wanted this kind of fluffy look and I want it to be very full, so that is why I made it like this, and I'm just loving it. Look at how natural and realistic that is looking. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. How cool is that? That's so cool. So I'm just gonna put it aside so I can go ahead and continue sewing the weft. Like what I was trying to say before, at this moment you can decide to just crochet your braiding hair to the wig cap, but I decided to make this weft because I want to use it for ponytail afterwards. So I'll go ahead and secure the weft to the wig cap with my T-pins, and then I'll just continue sewing it to it with my needle and thread. So basically this is what I would do for the rest part of the video. I'll just carry on sewing my weft to the wig cap until I've gotten to the top. And guys, let's just take a moment and watch what I'm doing. And look at that. Oh god, this is so cool. It looks so real. It's so lightweight and it's so fluffy. So this is the finished look of this hair and I really like it. Look at how full this hair is. Look at the back. See how flowy it is. It's so natural looking and it's so gorgeous. It's just like a blown out version of our hair, and I like the softness of this hair. If you want to see how I style this hair, then let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comment section below as well. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, just enjoy this look until I see you in my next one. Bye.